Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DigitalBits token. Now this token is being listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out. Excuse me. Check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, I don't know if it's dusty in here or what, but anyway, so this token is being listed on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So it was just announced 4 hours ago on MEXC Global's Twitter that this token, estimated trading will open for this token on March 8th. So today is March 3rd, so you got plenty of time to go check out this token before it gets listed on MEXC Global. It says estimated trading time will open March 8th at 8 o'clock UTC time. That's 8 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on March 8th, and search XDB. So XDB is the ticker symbol for DigitalBits. And then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. Cool thing about MEXC Global is there's tons of different contests, events, Kickstarter events, which is what they're doing for this token. We'll get into that in 1 second. But they have tons of contests and tons of brand new tokens listed on there all the time. It's a really great exchange. I believe it's in the top 10 central exchanges. And yeah, so if you don't have an account, check out that MEXC Global referral code down there. Now, they're having a Kickstarter. Vote for a listing, win a free airdrop event for this token with a reward pool of 14,500,000 XDB tokens. It says voting period goes from March 7th, 6 o'clock UTC time to March 8th, 5:50 UTC time. And you can get involved with this event by following MEXC Global on Twitter at MEXC_global and checking out this Kickstarter event. And there's a details page that you can click on here. It says MEXC Global is thrilled to launch another session of Kickstarter, a listing campaign initiated by the project team on MEXC. Before launch, users can stake tokens and vote to support their favorite project. This event is designed to identify high-quality projects and at the same time bring airdrop benefits to MEXC users. So it says DigitalBits is commonly known as the blockchain for brands that enables the creation, transfer, and exchange of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, NFTs, loyalty points, and rewards. DigitalBits empowers the consumers of tomorrow across various industries, including sports, entertainment, retail, technology, and finance, to provide a secure, scalable, eco-friendly, and decentralized infrastructure. Today, DigitalBits is the main global sponsor of AS Roma Football Club and is the partner of major brands like Rakuten and Chili.com and has iconic ambassadors such as legendary Francesco Totti. So it says total supply of this token is 20 billion tokens. So users can stake MX tokens to participate in voting and stand a chance to win Free project airdrops. The maximum amount of MX you can commit depends on the MX balance in your spot wallet at the snapshot time. So it goes over the details on this. Now, MEXC Global has their own token called, ticker symbol is MX. So that's what they're talking about what you can stake to get involved with this airdrop Kickstarter event. So read all about that at support.mexc.com or check it out on their MEXC Twitter announcement. Now, this token is on their own, has their own block explorer. So basically it's not a token at all. It's a coin technically. I mean, people use coin and token interchangeably, but this is a coin. They have their own XDB Explorer, which you could find at xdbexplorer.com. It says network status up and running, last ledger number, average ledger, close time. You can go over all of this technical info here on their own block explorer if you like. You can check that out. Now they have their own Twitter at DigitalBits.org. I was checking it out earlier. They're doing very well. They have 32,100 Twitter followers. It says the blockchain for brands, fast, eco-friendly, and incredibly easy to use. DigitalBits is an open source blockchain to create and manage digital assets. And DigitalBits.io is their official webpage. You can check that out. Now, they also have a Discord. There's an invite that you can find on MEXC's announcement page here. They have a Telegram at DigitalBits. So their Telegram has 5,817 members, 462 of them online. And then they also have at DigitalBits News, which is another Telegram channel that you could check out as well. So yeah, tons of stuff. Now, if you go to their webpage, it says a blockchain for brands. They have different links on here. You can download their app. It says your crypto your way. Download on the App Store. Get it on the Google Play Store, so you can download that. It says official brand ambassador is Francesco Totti. Brand partner of Inter Milan FC, so they're very involved with football, aka soccer. It says mint in a blink. Create custom tokens easily on the DigitalBits blockchain. You can learn more about that. They also have Nico Swap on here, the decentralized exchange on the DigitalBits blockchain. You can click learn more. Now they have Medium articles, Facebook, Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Discord, and and 2 different Telegrams actually. So tons of socials. Consumers of tomorrow. DigitalBits is an easy-to-use open-source blockchain used to empower digital assets. This may include branded currencies, NFTs, stablecoins, and more. It's immersive, eco-friendly, you can tokenize, and it's fast. Projects and integration. DigitalBits is an easy-to-use open-source blockchain used to power digital assets. This may include branded currencies, NFTs, stablecoins, and much more. So they go over all their partners and ambassadors on here. They're going to have integrations, organizations partnering with them together in the future, and tons of different news articles. How to deploy a node on the DigitalBits blockchain, the end of token swap, mainnet circulating supply, token swap extension, all sorts of articles there. You can apply for a grant. There's developer docs. You can join the XDB Army Community Program, blogs, contact, resource, ecosystem, about, all these different links on here. And their white paper is very extensive, just as you would imagine a blockchain white papers would be. So you can check out their super huge white paper if you want very technical information on there. And you can find this token newly listed shortly on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we talk about the new coins and tokens, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this blockchain down there in the description box? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.